Hey, my people, eh? This Joe boy of 18, I don't understand. Joe boy, you just say you go make heaven so. But then that Joe boy, I be J boy, I be waiting. Joe boy will sing that sing. I don't wanna know, I don't know for writing singer. Where everybody they begin, they colo, they craze, where people they craze, they colo, they metus, where people they psych. Because if you was psyching, you are I don't understand. They don't they people here they begin they craze this colo. Joe boy I be J boy I be Joe boy. I don't know what it be your name. I don't know what I want to use your name to do. I know say yes now you're singing, just singing. But you will make heaven so for this kind of thing where you go release so. My brother, I'm not sure say you will make heaven. But most still look at the other way around. And that may be Joe boy or not J boy. If you can't sing that sing. Some of our people TikTok, una want blow, una they find viewer, una they find what they call her viewer, una want boost on TikTok or una want maybe say that they una monetize for on TikTok. I don't understand. Now by force to monetize, must you come to a TikTok because you want monetize? I they talk every day. Me not come Facebook because I want monetize. Not be Facebook they feed me. Yes, I did my day. Not be Facebook they feed me. I come to the cruise out of cruising now. Now your belief say it be or to take get phone cruising and all those kind of things to talk out your mind and to feel happy. Say okay, yes, I don't talk my mind though. To end your whole opinion, you understand? But fine, I not they, I not they guest and say if you can't they monetize at last. Of course, nobody know why we not you they talk every day. Nobody wants, as in nobody go say, hey, I know, as in this money where they bring. So for example, if something can really they come at the end, nobody go reject and say, hey, he no need them. You understand? Everybody go say yes, so no problem. He need the money. Oh, you understand me? So all those are compass. Joe boy. Oh, the badge. I did they speak the Yoruba. Hey, for me, make heaven at all. Rarara. Make heaven, but I know, say not be your fault. But all these people, I don't understand. Mama, your born picking go, and as in papa and mama go born picking on your day. Can you imagine at the end of the day, they'll say, wait, see, Joe boy sing. Maybe the guy now you're small, I call your take on the shack and can play that music. Now you can dance like, as in I can release that music. Now you carry the whole full bottle now, drink and they pour for our body. Not be full that one. So we carry oil. The other one go drink the twice some days ago. He nearly buy say because of say that Joe boy they do. Wait, another question. They will give una money for the distance. Joe boy, how many percent? How much you want to give the winner? Who want carry the award? As in you talking for the sing say if you don't as you sing and people do the competition, you get money where you share give them. No, I sure say get money where you go share give them. As for me and my family, my ass, even if money they go share, I can never be a partaker of that nonsense. That aram nonsense. Aru. Waiting. If you see carry water, na normal water, natural water, na they pour for your body, it's still good small. Apart from water, the rest are nonsense. Even the water itself, sometimes it's not still good based on say, depend on the country where you live. If you not in Nigeria now, if you in Nigeria, you carry water everywhere they hot. You carry water you they do. I can understand that one. As that's everywhere they water, everywhere too hot now. You carry water, you they pour out like pure water or ever water anywhere they pour out for your body. Because you want to do the challenge. It's still very understandable because everywhere all in Nigeria. Not be Europe this time around this October. We don't they home heater now. I just own my heater for all my house now, my room, my children room, parlor, kitchen, toilet, everywhere. I want the heater down, make it warm anyhow. Based on say two don't come their house. See the rest where they come from school. They will come 5:30 now. You understand? Me everywhere still warm. Because I open window down since I come out. Go school, come back now. Never tell where I enter. I open window half come the day since breeze don't enter to the course say even cook on the cash for inside house. Because every day I must open window down, make breeze enter. Even if snow they fall for my area here, for the country wide day, I go open window down every blessed day. The breeze, the fresh air go change. After all those things, if I can't come back from outside where I go, I'll come lock on. See come warm the house again, so the thing go dey fresh. All those things is very good for the body so that you will not fall sick easily. Even if children want sick or adult want sick, nah, on that one, they 2 days, 3, if you 2 days, 3 days, the sickness don't run. All those of you say, be say, you know, open window. I don't feel talking for one of my live video. Your day not create open window. Sometimes 3 months, you never open window once. You can't see some kind of smell. Wait, they inside the house. You go even concert to sit down, go they pain you for body. And at that house, they will cook fried things. It's not nice. It's very bad. I don't first use to advise some of my people. Nobody is perfect with they learn. But if you learn, you know something, or people doesn't teach you, try to learn now. Because at least, especially if you know the thing that good to say go help you. Okay, challenge Joe boy. Whether they do you or Joe boy, me I don't understand. I never even watch the music now. TikTok I they see or maybe Facebook people they do the thing they'll share on to Facebook I can't see they see. Why be say I know I beg I don't want even shout for this matter because I will soon even end my video now. I don't want me they do video with pass even in short, except say maybe that I just want to go and see bon. Normally I don't want just the two video way past 10 minutes again say for real. So I be out there myself. My question is which money they want to give una? It's our Nigerian people, especially Nigerian people, they do nonsense. And Nigerian people, some of them they do. You don't ever see Oyibo, they do that kind of yet. So you don't see Senegal, Ghana, all those other countries, but they do this nonsense. Now Nigeria confirm blood of Nigeria. If you ask them, check their origin in Nigeria. Anyone will tell you say na Senegal, Ghana, Turkey, this one Gbogboe, na liar. I confirm my blood. Me no know the kind of money they want to give you. Now they think they baffle me. The thing, they bust my enemy brain. Which money they want to give you now when most of them want even buy on herself. Some you go sit down for gutter. Some just sit down for me even wash one. It just stay for center of road. Motor they come they make pom. Now small remember motor nearly even brush and the motor come got to bend. I saved that video, but they try make I even say I go even as in share them for my wall, those kind of things. See no great share again. While they go delete and me I not even know. You carry drink, they pour on for your body. The Joe boy sing. I don't even know I sing down, me I don't even care. Make her go ask me one way they not hear any. But no, I know the person, I know the sing where they rain so. Where all of them they crazy, so all our Nigeria, most of them not be all. All of them they psych, metus, every psych. When I can't jam me, when I can't do that nonsense for road or when they see you say they do it for your ass, especially they cash you right down there. If they know, if I don't know, I want to talk, especially if you get children, try and they'll carry your children, they'll go put you for hospital, they'll say you they psych. So not be challenge again. Me. Mama no be mama again, papa no be papa again, uncle no be uncle again, brother no be brother again, sister no be sister. Picking no you even go there. Mama, you carry oil, you go the powder for all your body. Ask me at that cloth once they come clean if you wash her. Say the oil you go come really come out. Red oil for that matter. So carry soap. You don't want carry the toy. You don't want you go road, Joshua. They do the dance. And so that dance, see, come that and that they rain that time. What they call that? I don't forget that dance. One corner here. That's all of them. They fear come. Not all of them. They use wasted the wine grand. They shook grand. Why be say Nigeria people is something just come at latest thing just come at the way we take carry and go. The way we take put up for our head. The way we go take draw and sandboard map of Nigeria for our body. It will be like say that thing. Now only God know. God go even the verse say why this thing even come at. In short, God himself go even the verse say why he create Nigeria people not be lie. Because the way they carry thing go. The way they carry the thing say without this thing nobody feel do again for this world. Now we be the winner. Or without this thing, nothing, no level again for this world. Nigeria people, when I say they receive sense now, some of us will not be all of us. Will not join. Will never all line. Have any way, any those people they do. Why? What do you know what give for all this kind of rubbish? If I can't wait one day now, my children don't big. You can't see this nonsense when I do for grant. You say my children go, they applaud when they give una kudos. Your children can never give you kudos. They'll say, Mama, Papa, which nonsense be this one? go center of road, carry ogogoro or carry oil dey pour for your body. Motor come dey begin dey make pon pon pon. Come on for road. You not even come on for road self. The thing you're the doing say na challenge. Say Joe boy, say make you just muna doing. Now the motor come even got to bend. The way say bend self, you nearly speech for your body. Say this one head correct. We can go stay for center of road. Come garo dodge you, make for not jam me, make for come out. As I take watch that one. I beg most of our Nigerian muna receive sense. Come equal book be me arrow we again. But me person not gonna shame for now. The person not gonna say why you come from Nigeria they regret. I know a lot of people don't even regret since it don't take. But then what we are good you wanna the more they break, the more you they get sense. There are some funny things you will do which is acceptable. There are some kind of things it's not acceptable. It's not acceptable at all. You understand? Yes, I'm coming. Sorry guys, I'm coming. Oh yeah, go to your room, please. I'm doing a video. You understand? Eh? This is very, very bad. It's not nice. It's not just nice at all. So one corner come that time. Come see one people we don't old mama, grandmama, grandpapa, especially women. Women are then be the worst, most of them. Women will go get even big bonbon self. The way that they dance the one corner self. My brother, my sister, not be joke. The truth is very bitter. The way that they do the dance, man will even get wife for us, and the thing go they deceive her. Later though they blame many man, say, hey, men to the fleto, men to the fleto. Now while women they cause for their body, most of them, now the truth. Eh? But say make them flex, the way they can take they don't feel marry one wife. Now women they entice them. That is just the truth. How can you get either you get bonbon, you don't get bonbon, you can't get some kind of thing. You they dance one corner, they fear kumu, they use your waist, they wine grand, they use until they knock grand. Mark will consider that kind of thing. Just say go waka pass. It take the grace of God for that man to waka pass. Now the truth, moon not get am twisted. Moon not just say na so me bad. Na so they are not too much. For that case, they are not too much. Now the way they dance. Even your dance self, they even the tree woman self. We go even see that kind of dance self. You go even the tree and say Jesus now wow, see this kind of dance step with this person they dance. You go even the tree and even if they carry maybe for example one carry picking go school or you want to go buy something, you go even stand safe. You go late for where they go they look woman like her as they fear kumunoto or as they dance with a big bonbon or either it get big bonbon or not get big, especially those one will get big bonbon. Especially they can't get big bonbon or can't get some kind of thing put. Where be say the way the nyash they shake or the way the thing go be. Oh yeah, na compete sing that sing. Oh yeah, na we na fan for isaga be enya man no ya zo tell by agree. You understand? Ebu wa wo me o bi agbon ni bu o bi ure bo ya o no wi kaka o unero la yiwo. I know they do any they disgrace and they disturb. Something you come out for Nigeria people. Me they see some kind of thing go come out for Igbo, some kind of thing go come out for all those Togo, Senegal, Ivory Coast, the rest place. And you very announce everybody will respect himself. For you go even see one person or two person will go do that thing will come out. You know they easy like that. But for Nigeria, I swear, something you come out like that way they rain. 50% go you like to pull head, shook head for that thing. Say they want to do one. And the way they take do one, not be like what you compare me pass for inside and be this one. The way those people take do one, I pray, oh, who bring the thing, who invent the thing, come out, who do the thing, or who do that thing, if they learn, if they go school, that person they go school, that person need to go learn for the way most of our Nigerian people can't do one. They go dance past who they sing the sing, they go do the style past who do one. You know, you see all these people, all these Davido and Gbogbo, they just a bit dance. But guess what? If you really bring some people come out, not be lie. Davido, Peace Squad of the delay. They not sabi. They not even reach 30% for what most Nigerian people do. Then they learn. They dance and die. They dance and pass who get the music. They dance and pass who sing the sing. That is just the truth. Joe Boy bring something come on. Me, I never even watch that video. Now one of my friends they tell me about the music. But as they even tell me, I don't even want to care. Now Facebook and TikTok, I can't see say the boy said, "I be say whether it's clean or it's tall or it's yellow, it's black, me not even know." But now they sing for TikTok, some they'll share out for Facebook. That means they hear the music since 1 week, a bit 2 weeks now. Eh? I wanna. Meaning I don't know me, man. I swear. Only my kind me. It will not kind me na job when I sing the sing. Where all of them they pour drink for body. They colo like metals, like with the psych. When them go they naked. Some of them. They pour how can you carry drink you put for your body? How can you carry the toy you the drink you they pour for your body? I don't say fake still there, oh. But inside that fake, you see reality for inside. Some really do it for real, say yes, they want to do challenge. Some really expect, let me say, for example, that bottle of drink. How can you talk full bottle of drink, they drink, they go. They drink, they pour it for your body. Your teeth say not go disturb you. It disturb you, die. So say na fake, I want you to do for one night. You carry the toy. I want you to do odonga, you carry the toy, you they pour for your body. Only the toy, if they pour for your body, if they inhale, if you too much, if you faint, or if you know, if you even lose control, or if you get it day. Based on they pour from your head to toe, you don't pour it natural like that. The toy is supposed to be like a drop or something small in the cover, put them for inside your water, you want a bath. You carry the toy, they pour from your head to toe. Why not disturb? From your head to toe. Why not disturb you? Why your eye not even blind? Me bath yours now. Are you the toy? Are you the toy bath? Guess what? You come say I use extra. My eye can't pepper me, my face can't pepper me. Even my body, I feel like better. My face, I go feel and pass. You understand? Based on saying that there, I did all those kinds of things. I did there, yeah, did the mouth, did the nose, did there. Now there you feel and more. I use extra. I come like say I use extra. I drop off for water after I use shower finish. I just want to use the toilet like risk my body, but I don't feel pour naturally for body like that. I need to mix them with water for bucket. That's why I take mix. I can't do the do my body again. You understand? When I say they do one normally, even my children, once in a while they do one like that. Not say once in a while, at least once in once or twice in a month. Sometimes say 4 times in a month. Even sometimes say 5 times. But most times I'll just drop very little. And if I want to drop very little, I'm not put them for face. I'll just use them for other body, even for my shoulder. I'm not put them for face. I will skip the face. Because on face you will feel and pass. Me, you don't want to die. You don't wash face, wash everything purposely because I don't need. You get why you need that. You know all those things. Can't they prepare me for face? Now, I believe I can't put water again. You can't even cool. Because I can't pour warm water. I they risk my face based on say eating the pepper and they feed the pain somehow. Warm water can't the worst thing. I can't blast they pour more detour for my body. That is hot water. Don't be mad at open cold water for inside shower. We cold day this country where I did so for Jamie. I can't open cool water. I can't take the pour for the face. The face can't cool. It can't cool. But this one why it also cool. Water already enter my chest, my body. After the face don't cool, I can't pour hot water again for my chest, for my neck, go down. Can't come out. How you carry the toy, they pour for face. You say they do challenge. Or you they carry kerosene, carry oil, carry drink, carry gbogbo tigbo. You say you want to challenge. Remember the job boy can you know I don't know the kind of money we want dash you. Even if you want even dash you that money safe, must you use it at the risk of your life? Even if you want dash you money, how will you feel if you can't win the money at the end of the day? You lose your life as you win your money, the money. Should be that your children or your family or your friends go use that money that time. Of course, now then will come use the money. Your family, your children, your parents, your friends, and they'll use the money where you don't already win. We're supposed to enjoy being alive. My people, when they use sense, when they use sense, every day they break, when they grow, they put, we're supposed to get more sense. There's some people they go break, instead of they to get more sense, they go get more psych for their body, their blood, or they get more depression for their body, or they get more colometer, or they metals join. I don't understand. I want to speak all the whole English. But I guess they will understand what they try to talk. Some people wake up for them to get more sense. They go to depress more. They go to psych more. For them to heal from their psychness or from their depression, the thing go they double again. I don't understand. I don't know J-Boy help. When a J-Boy be J-Boy, you help. When you see that kind of thing, the thing go can they put many people for one kind nonsense situation. Somebody do more, they want to say that too much. Why some go you report the oil, some go report the toy, some go report this one, they risk their lives, see nothing they happen. The boy don't even talk saying go give them money. Me, I don't search social media. I don't even ask more than 3 friends. Say, how far? The Joe boy want dash person will win money for the challenge. He saying pray, oh, not be only money. Not be only money in one dash. Not be only money. He not go dash the shishi. Shikon, even chingon money, not go give them. Now, you don't trust your Nigeria people. When you talk that word, I shock. Say, we might trust even in Nigeria. Not be your country. They want to do something. As I said, a person I invent the thing, and a person bring the thing come out. Who bring the thing come out, go they lane. You can't even they wash those people they do. The person go even come they get more lyrics for the person hand. The person go even they regret say, oh, see as a joy take do. He will be Tina. What he bring come out. Say how joy can't they do if you know if for dance well like joy, if you know if for do this design like joy, if you know if for do this shakara like joy. Now the truth, we know the story, but we not better. People bring music, they'll bring step dancing step. Now most Nigeria will not get work. All those jobless youths. Now them go even do the thing pass. No wonder Buhari say most of them na jobless youths. Eh? You understand? All those kind of things. A guy be sorry guys for the little noise of my baby. Eh? Sometimes they make sense at all. They're very annoying, so disgusting. So disgusting to the core. Can you come out, Joe boy bring sin come out? Because Joe boy bring sin come out, you on the colo, the metals, the sack. You want Chris. Not be only Chris, you want Chris. For you to hear they do all those things. Come go if now Europe today. Go me to Ibo, me they carry you go psychiatric hospital. Or rather, if now Nigeria, you see they say you want you to sit down for psychiatric hospital. So if you call they do all those things, don't say I beg. Not yours, I'm not bother, I'm gonna leave one. It is psych now. Here don't correct, I make it even come to the hospital. Normal human being will get children. Everything will complete. We do all those things. If I you see they do and self, not be saying good. You see they even the let person they hear small. But trust me, come see our mama, our papa. How can a mother will just carry all your way they sell for store? You want follow them do the challenge, they pour for all your body. A mother will get children, will get family. Go carry a drink or carry waiting call foods where they want even eat soup where they want eat. Jesus, it's so disgusting, eh? To the extent self, because my children don't come my room now, they don't own their cartoon for my ear now. They want to distract me, but I don't talk with them when else to talk. They want to not remember the next time. To the extent self, animal don't even begin to do the challenge. I see monkey we still carry drink, they drink. He wants to turn the whole drink for a month. When they tell you say it's a bit serious, it's a bit the challenge. What nonsense! Nonsense in the highest order. Naija people, most of them when I wake up from their sleep, and I say they sleep, they dream. Remember, you know, it's you like whether frustration or depression or stress, you know. But I remember vividly say everybody gets stressed. If everybody gets stressed, that does not mean say to cure your stress now those things you they do. No, by instead, it go implicate your life or your things, or more things, as in it go implicate you more if they do all those things. If they hope say that those things go solve. They do challenge, they don't give you shishi, they don't give you money. Chingon money, say we even cheap pass pure water money, they don't go give you now. Above that, if person do something and I go no and pass, I will now just take do another better thing now. Take go they do sasako. Come do the thing, pass the person will even get the thing. I don't understand you now. I look here, when I receive sense, so when I get every person on the verse for now, when I get sense, when I gather sense. Because if it's too much, man, nonsense. I beg my people, thank you all for watching. I'm not verse. I'm not against those people. Wait, no, I mean, I'm not against those people who not join. Those people who join now, they against, they're not good. I don't hate to now, when I waste to join, no. But now advice. Because I can't realize say this life our people where they do so kind of thing. If you beg them, pet them, tell them, advise them, say don't do this thing, they not go lie here. Now if you cause them, zan them, this go on then out there they will learn. That is the truth. You know, sometimes I see some people for social media that they do saga all those things. Now that saga go make them come calm down for what they do. If you just tell them say this thing not good, brother, sister, in where unama. I pray everywhere here no go change. Never. According to one of our presenters, wait that time when the thing set, he said never. For your mind, you say you go rest. You no green rest. Now if you sansan that person, you just go on that person, I go say, hey, this shame done too much. This go on. This zan done too much. This scatter done too much. This disgrace too much. Make I really think and make I calm down. But if you not disgrace and you not insult her, you not tell her I left a day right. You don't tell her I supposed to take day. You go there, hey, yeah, where? Oh, waiting in dollar, boy, in dollar, boy, in what dollar, yeah. But if you tell her wait for day 40, and then go realize, okay, or yeah, we are getting, or yeah, warrior bevel. Hey, yeah, people, my people, I greet you now with better style. Thanks for watching. I beg. Now they follow me. May God bless you now. One love, people. Bye.